Hello, students. So in this assignment, we're going to cover some of the philosophies and political ideas and important propaganda pieces that helped push the colonists towards independence instead of coming together. So we have like the Stamp Act, and we have closing of Boston Harbor and the Intolerable Acts that are like pushing the colonists further away from reuniting. Common sense is something that actually comes from the Americans, and it pushes them even further apart. So a lot of the things that we've talked about are stuff that comes from Great Britain. This is something that comes from the Americans that going to push them apart. So in this assignment, you'll also practice gathering details and collecting information from primary source documents. So you get to actually read common sense, which is really exciting. When you're done with this, you should go check out the vocabulary page and open up the notes and write down kind of what you learned. That will help set the information in your brain and help you remember stuff better. So good luck, and I will see you on Thursday for our discussion session.